All right, so some of you have been asking about how I get everything going and what my normal setup is kind of behind the scenes for paragliding. So I thought I'd take you along right now for the setup. Normally it's kind of boring, but got some extra time while we let the wind die down a little bit more before sunset here. So basically here's how I show up. I've got just the paramotor obviously on the back of my car here. I have it strapped in and ready to go. And then I already set the wing out there. I just got it out of the bag basically and let it out, but pretty simple. So I'll put this thing on. There we go. And so just lift it up, and then it's pretty light without the battery, so that's nice. Hopefully you guys can see all this stuff, but throw it on my back. Get going over here to where my wing is. So I laid my battery next to this. I just throw this in my side passenger seat here. Obviously got the wing laid out nicely here. This is what I'm gonna hook into in a minute. So this goes kind of across because you're taking off like this, right? So that's how you're hooking it up. And I'm obviously lining up into the wind. It's definitely dying down, which is nice. And then got a whole big field in front of us. So should make it nice and easy to take off. Cool, I'll put this down, get the battery installed. The battery's not even too heavy, but it's definitely the heaviest part of it. That just slides in there like that, which is nice. So, plug it in. You'll hear it boot up. And then we're about ready to go. Make sure we're all good to go. We got some little bumps at the end, some turbulence. Hands up and then down. Hold the flare. And that's how you do it right there. Make sure we're disarmed. 30-minute flight, not too bad. All right, well, I got some crazy hair, but thanks for tuning in. Of course, this was just pretty informal, doing a little video for some of the people that had asked. So hopefully that was helpful. SP140 is definitely doing great. A little bit windy still tonight. I mean, you can see those flags. So it wasn't like super smooth or anything, but that'll be it. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.